Tomorrow's the beginning of the weekend, the first weekend of New Year's. So we're gonna rip out the sunset, guys. We're gonna have a nice little ride out there. And then, yeah, see what happens after that. Sure made it to Olds. She hasn't been up here in a while, but she finally made it back. She's got this weird thing going on where it just beeps. It shows no message, no codes, no nothing. So I don't know what it is. I mean, I've tried. I've hooked buds up to it. I've tightened battery cables. I've checked an oil level, checked plugs, and changed those. Like and there's no rhyme or reason. It's like sometimes it does it when it's like quarter throttle, sometimes it does this wide open throttle. So it just like, it makes no sense to me why Sherb keeps doing this. Dave brought Ashley, or Ashley brought Dave. Yeah. And then, well, we'll show you what happened to Dave's car later, because it's sunset. We want to be happy. Anyways, okay guys, we're gonna watch the sunset for a little bit. Check that out. Action. That's right, we're back, guys. This is Jonathan with Off-Road Diaries. We got the whole crew right here. How are you guys doing today? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? I started recording this and I actually realized I was never actually recording it. So we're gonna pretend like we're putting a sticker at this umbrella. And then you got the Off-Road Diaries. This is close to China Wall. There's some really fun dunes right here. I've played in these dunes, I think, at one point in my life here or there. But China Wall's that way. We're gonna go that way. I don't even know if I'm gonna climb the wall because I've had bad luck. That wall does not like me, just like the other wall doesn't like, you know, the other country and all that stuff. But anyways, let's go guys, let's go to China. And I'm running out of battery on this GoPro, and the battery in my pocket is either full 100% or 0%. So let's cross our fingers for one or the other, or for one, not the other. We made it to China, guys. What do you call it, Mike? A post update, pre-update? Yeah. Every update. Pre-trip update. Every date needs an up or something. Yeah. Anyways, this is China Wall. If you guys have never been to Glamis before, it's one of the tallest climbs that you can make as far as steepness goes. I think the only other steeper one is maybe Sand Mountain in Nevada, and then Choke Cherry's steeper. I'm pretty certain Choke Cherry's steeper. I go there a ton, so I know how to like gauge it for the most part. I don't know, maybe I should bring like one of them angle things so I can really see it, but it's a climb. I mean, it's not like, the sand is rather, it's soft on this hill, but it's not as soft as Choke Cherry at St. Anthony's, Idaho is very, very freaking, what's the word I'm looking for? It's very soft. So you have to keep that in mind when you're going up that hill. But these are some big bowls over here. So we were just at the umbrella, which is only about 5 minutes that way. And then all these dunes here, they're massive. And it kind of stops. This is like the highest point. You could kind of see China from like the Wash Road over there. Look at all them beautiful bowls. Just wanting to get carved. All right, guys, we're gonna chill for a second. Back at the swing set again, guys. I lost my camera again. I know I'm an idiot. I've actually lost a GoPro and my actual vlogging camera. So I'm vlogging on like my spare GoPro right now. Positive message, guys. Man, you live one time. Are you gonna sit around and do nothing with your life? Are you actually gonna do something with your life? You know what I mean? Like, I see so many people and they just get stuck in the redundancy of everything. It's just like never ending, same old stuff all day long, every day. And that's why Krista and I travel so much. I can't stay put. I just can't stay in a house. That's why we live out of an RV, is because I just want to be everywhere all the time. I don't know when I'm gonna die. I think it's gonna be awesome that Miles will get the opportunity to grow up like that. And yeah, so anyways, we're gonna get off the mushy stuff for a second before I get all emotional. But yeah, we made it to the swing set, nice little rip. Having a great time with the friends that are still here. A lot of people are about to be gone. And then, yeah, you get so used to hanging out with all your friends and then bam. Anyways, I'm just rambling, sorry guys. So people are still here. It's Friday, it's the weekend after New Year's. There's people coming in still. I went to the hill last night just to kind of break in this new belt. Had a problem with my belt. Huge shout out to Mike. Thank you so much. You helped me out with a brand new clutch that he had. The old clutch I had, I'll try to show you guys if I can remember when I get back to camp. It started to develop this ridge on it, and I went through multiple belts in the last few days. So all of them were used except for the new one I put on there. All the other belts were actually used belts. So who knows how many miles they had on them, but yeah, clutch issues suck. Now she's running great. Hopefully I put a new belt on again, and hopefully it's a Super ATV belt, so we'll see how that goes. I'll give you guys my thoughts on it, because the Super ATV belts are actually a little bit cheaper than the regular belts. So anyways, all right, we're gonna chill for a bit, hang out, and then who knows where else we'll go. We'll just keep on having fun. is up, guys? So it's 1 in the morning. I have been grinding away in the shop for days and days and days. I've been trying to finish this video, and apparently Krista somehow found missing footage that I had been looking for, which is a whole nother video in itself. So it's Wednesday night. I'm sorry, guys. I was trying to push this video out today, but I'm trying to finish a car that I'm also making a video of for a subscriber who's become a friend. So I am knocking everything out as fast as I can, and then we're heading south like in 2 days to go back south to get back to Glamis. So I just want to let you guys know that we appreciate it so much. Krista is very adamant that she is ready to really be part of the channel again, which is really awesome. So sorry for the emotional roller coaster I've put you guys through, but I do appreciate you guys for being loyal and just staying and sticking through with us as we try to figure ourselves out. And I think that that's the biggest thing, is sometimes you gotta figure yourselves out, and you know, it takes a big reality check to fix things or help you make up your mind on what direction you want to go with your life. So we appreciate y'all so much. Hopefully there's another Glamis video coming after this, and then there's a really cool, fun Pro R build that I've been working on since I came back to Utah. But we're about to disappear back south, guys. We're gonna meet up with Lulu's Offroad, have a lot of fun with them. It's just gonna be a good time coming up. So we appreciate you guys. We love y'all, and we thank you guys. And we'll see you guys Sunday if I can make it happen. I'm going to try my hardest. I'm going overtime right now, trying to push, put a car together, get my cars ready, get her car ready to get back south. So you guys have an awesome night. Thanks for everything, and we'll see you hopefully Sunday. If not Sunday, I'll try to make it Monday. All right, love you, bye.